Ballad by Lionheart. Tips and tricks. Everyday song by Helen Najar. A password is a key, but keys can be copied, stolen, guessed in silence. That's why one lock was never meant to stand alone. This is the second key. When someone learns your password, they expect the door to open, but instead a question appears, a prompt, a pause that says, "Prove it's you." Multi-factor authentication means even if someone takes what you know, they still can't take what you hold. I use Microsoft Authenticator, backed up, restorable, trusted. For work or school, Dual Mobile stands guard as well. You don't need many keys. You just need the right ones. One app you trust, one habit you keep. For those who wants the map written plainly, the Cyber Scroll lives on GitHub, a quiet place to revisit the steps when the seas grow loud. One key opens the door. The second decides who walks through. Stay tuned.